इकोनॉमिक्स स्टूडेंट्स के लिए मस्ट नो वार के टाइम वाई आईपीएल का जीडीपी पर इम्पैक्ट क्या होगा. द आइडिया दैट आईपीएल कंटिन्यूज ड्यूरिंग वॉर लाइक टेंशंस raises an important economic and political question. So we will discuss using the case of Indian Premier League and its impact on Indian economy. Why IPL is rarely stopped even during tensions. Even during geopolitical tensions, not full-scale war, governments often allows events like IPL because not a full war economy it is. India usually faces limited conflicts or tensions, not total war like the World War II. So economic activities continue, controlled risk environment, matches are held with tight security. Possible venue shifts, government monitoring. Example is during past tensions, matches were relocated or rescheduled instead of being cancelled. Second point is IPL is massive economic engine. The Board of Control for Cricket in India, BCC, runs IPL as a multi-billion dollar industry. Direct economic impact, SARS. Broadcasting rights, rupees 50,000 plus crore deals, sponsorship and ads, ticket sales, online streaming platforms. Indirect impacts are hotels, airlines, tourism, food delivery, and local vendors, gig workers, and event staff. IPL contributes thousands of crores to Indian GDP every year. So why stopping the IPL can hurt the economy? We have to know. If IPL is cancelled, revenue loss, government loses GST, tax revenue, business loss, seasonal income. Second is employment shock, temporary jobs, vanished security vendors, media, crews, etc. Investor confidence drop, signals instability to global investors. Psychological and social role during tense times, IPL acts as a stress reliever, keeps public morale stable, reduces panic behavior in markets, similar to how sports continues in many countries during crisis to maintain normalcy. When IPL can be stopped, IPL may be halted. A full-scale war, national emergency is there, direct threat to cities or stadiums. Government prioritizes defense over economy. Example is IPL 2009 shifted to South Africa due to security concerns. Finally, it can be said IPL during warlike situations reflects a balance between economic stability and national security. As long as conflict is limited, continuing IPL supports GDP, employment, and public morale. However, in full-scale war, national priorities override economic activities. तो ऐसी powerful economics content के लिए follow करें.